very great day. There was a overwhelming response uh, for the program which we had yesterday on employability and career growth. We got a very good response which we did through live streaming. From there, we got an idea of having a doubt clarification session. Like you can ask any doubts with regard to this subject. ISO 9001 2015, IATF 16949 2016. What does it mean to business? Why we need to go for this? What way it is going to help the organization? Is it really helping the organization, or is it is just a paper? Customers are asking for going for ISO 9001 or IATF. You go for this, we will give you order. Your company is also getting the certification, but still customers are coming and carrying out certain audits. The companies are failing. And secondly, even after getting any certification, we are not able to see a real result. So, keeping this in mind, how to support the organization by way of providing some certain insight for implementing things religiously and to the intent whatever the standard has told. So, the program has been planned for this 13th June, Sunday, between 2 and 3 p.m. The audience, whoever wanted to be the audience for this program, can shoot up questions which include, clarification of your requirement. If you need to get clarified for a requirement, there is a clause. What does that mean? What way this can be complied? By complying that, what the organization is going to get benefited. So likewise clarification. Method of documenting or complying a requirement. There is a requirement. How to comply that? Some people, they just like that do with some formats. The companies are having umpteen number of formats. Hardly people may be touching 20 or 25. But even having that many formats, when auditors come and ask for some evidence, you are not able to justify and provide them with some evidence. So, how to document that? Method of closing or non-conformity. That is, there is a non-conformity raised by a customer or the certification body. If suppose you are finding it difficult to close them, you can ask those questions. Or any other challenges you face, those things also you can bring in. So that whenever you are coming out with the questions, I need certain inputs: the name of the person, the designation, name of the organization you are working for, and the nature of clarification required. You can rest assured that I just wanted to have the background of the situation. That is the reason I wanted these details. But when I am presenting, I will not be disclosing from which person or which organization it has come. Since this is going to be a public program, you cannot expect that I will be revealing some company's name. I cannot reveal any of the company's name. If at all during the discussion, if someone is coming out with some name or this thing, which I can't help, but I request that you need not reveal your company name. But for me to understand the background, you need to provide these details. And you can send the question before 10/6, that is on Thursday. Whichever questions reaching me by Thursday, those questions will be taken care and it will be delivered on Sunday. You can WhatsApp me to this number 9840261401, Uh, by asking this question, you can acquire and conquer. What is this? Ask, acquire, and conquer. See, whether we are getting certified as internal auditor or attending some awareness program or something, what way we can show our return on investment? Whatever you have done with the program, you need to implement in the organization and show some return on investment. The company should benefit out of it, whether it is in the form of delivery, in the or cost, quality, productivity, in some way or other, in the way of PQCDMS, we need to show some result, some return on investment. So the main objective is to the system, whatever you are implementing in the organization, it has to work for the organization. Focusing this as an objective, we will be addressing this program. So I expect questions from the participants. Uh, you can be free to ask me any questions from 9001 2015 and IITF 16949 2016. Additionally, if at all you wanted to address any other subject, those things also you can tell me. Those things I shall plan for the coming weeks. So, depending upon the response from the audience, I plan to conduct some regular programs by way, whatever the doubts the participants, the audience have, those things I love to clear them. You can most of the people you may get into my profile and you can ask any kind of questions. To those questions I am ready to answer. Thank you.